Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to cancel a subscription on your iPhone. It's actually a pretty simple process. First, you're going to want to open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, click on your name at the very top of the screen. This will bring up all the info about your Apple account. Next, tap on Subscriptions. After a few seconds, it'll list all of your active subscriptions, and below that, your inactive ones. Now, to cancel a subscription, just tap on the one you want to get rid of. This will give you all the details about that particular subscription. To actually cancel it, tap on Cancel Subscription. A pop-up will appear, telling you when your subscription will expire. Now, sometimes it'll expire right away, and sometimes it'll expire at the end of the current subscription period. In my case, it's expiring on January 3rd, about a month from now. When you're ready, just click Confirm. After a few seconds, the subscription will be cancelled and you won't be charged for future payments. If you ever want to renew it, just come back to this page and click Renew. Just a heads up, when you cancel a subscription, it'll also be cancelled on all of your other Apple devices that are signed into the same Apple account. Alright, we're all done. You can exit out of the Settings app and use your iPhone as normal. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching Fix Zone.